Hello. I am Leo from Silken Mermaid Software. This video will show you how to make a heart photo collage like this. We will use FigrCollage software to make the collage. Details on how to get FigrCollage are in the description. First, open FigrCollage and select an output size for this heart collage. Select the heart shape. Invert the heart shape so that the pictures are placed outside the heart. We will use the freeform cell style for this heart collage. Let us add pictures to our collage. Generate the collage. Let us fine-tune the collage layout. Let us now drag a picture inside the heart shape and refine its position to fill the heart completely. Move this picture behind other pictures. Let us export this heart collage to a JPG image. Let's quickly view the exported JPG. Did you find this video helpful? Please like it and subscribe to our channel.